Today, let's talk about Glacier National Park and why we should try to preserve this park. Adaptations. Animal adaptations. The pika has several adaptations that help it survive. Pika adaptations. Pikas collect grasses to eat over the winter. They can camouflage with their habitat. Because the pika is small, it can easily hide from predators. The benefits for the pika include that it will not go hungry during the winter and it will not be seen by predators. Elk adaptations. When in danger, elk may use their antlers or their hooves to defend themselves. They may also stay in herds. The benefits include that they can better avoid or fight predators. Plant adaptations. Douglas fir has thick bark, and that bark can protect the Douglas fir from fires. Relationships between animals. Mutualism is when both species involved in the relationship benefit from it. So the bird Clark's nutcracker eats pine seeds from the white or white bark pine, and then it stores some of the pine seeds in the ground. New trees grow from the seeds in the ground. This is a mutualistic relationship because the bird gets the food and then the species of pine benefits because it will thrive in the forest, because then many of them will grow. Commensalism is when one species is benefited by the relationship and the other species is neither harmed nor benefited. The northern hawk owl nests in trees with holes in them, and the holes may be made by a woodpecker. The owl probably does not really harm the tree, so this is an example of commensalism. So this is a food web. The bottom level are the producers, and then are the primary consumers, which eat the producers, and then the secondary consumers eat the primary consumers. As you can see in this food web, there are several secondary consumers, and they all eat the elk. Why are predators important in the ecosystem? First of all, they keep prey populations down, and if the predator is a secondary consumer, it may also be prey for a tertiary consumer. And if prey populations are too high, the prey may overgraze the land. This is why predators are crucial to an ecosystem. Elk. So their niche. So they eat vegetation such as grasses and dandelions, and this not only helps shape their habitat, but also then the plants won't grow too much. And they are food for several predators including mountain lions, gray wolves, grizzly bears, and coyotes. Why is elk a keystone species? Elk is a keystone species because if the elk suddenly disappears, its predators will go hungry and the plants that it eats will grow too quickly. Activities that you can do at Glacier National Park include hiking, camping, biking, and you can also do photography. 2 reasons why everyone should try to make an effort to save Glacier National Park. First of all, Glacier National Park is extremely beautiful and it is a great spot for photography, like I mentioned in the previous slide. And also, Glacier National Park has many organisms, or many species, 276 bird species, 71 mammal species, 20 different tree species, and more. And that's the end. Thanks for watching, everyone.